the next drawer, then I have my SAEs, and with the six point in the front, and then alternating to the 12. So I got the quarter drive, the 3/8, and the half. Then over here, I actually have my bolt extractors from Olsa in an SAE. So those are easy to organize. We go to the next drawer down, we go down to the metric. Here are the metric bolt extractors. And then I have, they don't have a 12 point that I have for the quarter drive, but then I have 3/8, 6 point, and 12, and then half, 6 point, and 12. And so that keeps things organized by color, easy to find, take the work right, take the sockets right to the work, so it's easy to move. And very great choice of colors, so you can organize those however you want. I just chose these colors, and but it helps me greatly, and wanted to share that with you. Again, thanks again, Olsa Tools.